So in this video, we'll learn how to earn money through digital marketing. Excited? So this is the topic you're waiting for, if I'm not wrong. So without wasting any delay, we'll look into it, like how we can earn money through digital marketing. So the first step is blogging, which is very important. So I'll show you now what is blogging, how you can earn money through blogging. Okay. So we'll go to my Chrome dashboard. Okay. So now I'll search for one thing like best smartphones under 20,000. Okay. So you can see 91mobiles.com, best mobiles under 20,000. So we'll click on it. So we'll go to another website as well. So digit.in, so best mobiles under 20,000. Okay. So now I'll open another website. So I'll go into it. Before that, sorry, I want to copy this keyword. So I'll copy this keyword. Now we are in Uber suggest, right? I'll select India and I'll hit on enter. Best smartphones under 20,000. This is called keyword, guys. Okay. So remember, so whatever we searching in Google is called keyword. So what is the search volume for this keyword? On an average, 50,000 people are looking for this keyword or searching for this keyword. Okay. So in other way, they are searching for solution. Okay. So 91mobiles.com and digit.in, these two are the companies who rank in the top two positions for this keyword. Okay. So now we'll search, like for example, we'll go to this website and see like Xiaomi Poco X2, it is like 15,999. Realme X2 16,999. Okay. So we'll see like what happens if we click on this. Okay. So here it is showing Flipkart. Okay. Purvika, Chroma. Once we click on this, go to store. So this is affiliate link. Okay. This is called affiliate link and you will be redirected to Realme. Once you purchase this product from this link, he'll get commission. Okay. This is nothing but affiliate marketing. Okay. This is nothing but affiliate marketing. Remember. So now we'll do one thing. So we'll copy his company URL and we'll paste it and Uber suggest. We'll search for this. You can see the traffic, 1 crore plus traffic, very huge, right? So let's say, for example, out of 1 crore, we'll take it 1 lakh people who bought this, for example, this phone. Okay. On 1 crore, 1 lakh people bought this Realme X2. Okay. So I'll go to Amazon and you can see the commission what Amazon gives for every individual affiliate. Okay. In mobile phones, we are looking for mobile phones right now, right? In mobile phones, 2.5%. Okay. For example, let's say 2.5 percent commission on mobile phones. Cost of mobile phone is 16,000, let's say. Okay. How many people bought this? 16,000 into 1 lakh. Let us assume out of 1 crore, 1 lakh people, to at least they'll buy it, right? Once they are visiting this site, because they want that. That's why they are searching for best smartphones under 20,000. So out of 1 crore, 1 lakh people will buy it. So This is the amount which he generates from his affiliate link. Okay, and out of he'll get 2.5 commission. So what is the amount he is gaining? I'm sorry. So 0.025. Okay, so this is the amount he is earning, 0.025. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 4 crores of money he is earning from this link. So what is the investment he kept? He bought one domain and hosting. Published his blog through digital marketing. And now he is earning 4 crores. This is an assumption, guys. Okay, so this is how you need to calculate. So when you write any article, okay, search what is the keyword volume that keyword has. Okay, for example, let's say I want to search for, write an article on digital marketing, and I'll search. So 1,65,000 people are searching in India for digital marketing. Okay, and you can see the paid difficulty is 35 and the SEO difficulty is 58. So I personally recommend below 30 you try to rank, because already it has heavy competition. So to rank out, so to rank your blog on the first page of Google, minimum it takes 180 days, 6 months of time. Okay, so this is affiliate marketing, one part of affiliate marketing. Now I'll tell you another thing. So I'll go to ClickBuzz.com. So many people might know this ClickBuzz.com, right? If I am not wrong. So this is second website, digit.in. Okay, so if you click on buy now, it will redirect to the Amazon page. Okay, this is an affiliate link, guys. Okay, so once you purchase this product from that user link, you can see digit.pya41-21, they'll get commission on it. Okay, remember, this is very very important. This is one part of affiliate marketing. How they generate? Through their website. Now you got it right. What is the use of website and how much it is important in this digital marketing? So don't learn digital marketing, practice digital marketing, get your own website. Again I'm telling, get your own website. So get your own website. So what is this? GoDaddy ad. Here also GoDaddy ad. When you scroll down, you will find spicy pitch ad. Okay, so Grammarly ad. So these are ads. This is called display ads. Okay, when you have amount of traffic, like good number of traffic, let's say 10,000, 20,000, or even more, 1 lakh, 10 lakhs, or 1 crore, Google will pay you. Okay, so let's say example $20 on a daily basis. Okay, $200, even more, depends on the traffic. Okay, so when you apply to Google AdSense, I'll show you. When you have a traffic, go to Google AdSense, create your account, and start earning money through blogging. This is called blogging, where Google will pay you, or some brands might approach you as well. For example, I'll show you. So you go to yourstory.com. So if we want to advertise in this website, so we need to contact them. In a similar manner, other brands might approach you to advertise their business in your website because you have a traffic. Okay, this is called blogging. And let's say, for example, see, advertise with us. So if you want to advertise with your story, you need to fill this form and you need to submit. This is called blogging, which is very very important. Okay. And what is the next step? So we completed blogging, and see, these are the commission rates which Amazon pays. 9%, 9%. You can find this link, I'll give in the description. Okay, so we'll go to the next slide, which is called affiliate marketing. I already covered some part of affiliate marketing in this video. Now I'll show you the other part of it. So I'll show you my affiliate links as well. These are my affiliate links which I signed up, and this is the commission which I get from each website, and this is my affiliate link, and this is my login link. You need to save your affiliate links like this. Okay. And so I'll show you what is the amount. This is my CJ account, guys, Commission Junction account. This is my affiliate account. Go to payment status. So the last payment which I received is $1385. Okay, so 1385. So we'll calculate again. 1385 into 76, the dollar rate is. So I got 1,05,000 change. Okay, so I got 1 lakh plus through affiliate marketing. Okay, so how is it possible? Because I have my own website. This is my own website, helloviru.com. This is my website, helloviru.com, which is which I use personally for my affiliate marketing. Because I want to tell you one thing. For example, let's say if I am promoting this SiteGround. SiteGround is nothing but hosting website. If I want to promote this website, they look into my profile. Who am I? What I am doing? Is my profile verified or not? Do I have my own website? How I'll promote their website? So these all things are very very important in affiliate marketing. Without website, it is hard to get approved from these affiliate networks. Okay, so please have your own website. This is very very important. Okay, I'll give my free course link in the description as well, and a link to buy domain and hosting as well to build your own website. Okay, so this is very very important, and I'll show you the other dashboard as well. So this is my SiteGround dashboard, which I recently talked. I promote SiteGround as well. So total they paid me $1,200. So roughly we calculate again. 1,200 into 76, 91,200. This is another one, 91,000. Okay. We'll go to the other dashboard. I promote A2 hosting as well. So guys, listen one thing. I promote more on web hosting services because I'm more comfort on this. And you can see the commissions which I earned. So 595, out of which 2 declined. Let's say on an average $400. So we'll calculate again. 400 into 76, 30,400. 30,400. So this is the amount which I earned through affiliate marketing, because I'm a person where I don't concentrate affiliate marketing much, because I have two things. One, I need to run my own agency, and again I need to take care of my personal brand. See, if I am not doing affiliate marketing, if I am not doing blogging, nobody will listen to me. That's why I've did affiliate marketing to prove myself, because I'm a proven affiliate marketer and as well as a blogger. So please remember one thing, website is very very important. Okay, to do anything, any sort of work. Okay, so you got my affiliate marketing part as well, right? And this is how I earn money through affiliate marketing, right? And we'll go to the next slide, which is called job. So this is very very important, guys. You can find this. Let's say This is Naukri dashboard. So the keyword is digital marketing. In India at present there are 34,560 jobs available in digital marketing. So which is very very huge. And in the coming by the end of 2020 we can expect 20 lakh job opportunities in digital marketing. Okay, so for this corona effect it might get some delay, but 20 lakh job you will get it on digital marketing very soon, which is very very high. So if you look at Indeed, there are almost 10,000, 9,000 plus jobs, 8,000 change. So this is also very huge. So if you want to start your career as a job, like if you want to start your career in any company, like working to any company, so you can start it. Digital marketing has a huge potential, and you can earn anywhere in between 12,500 to 30,000 as a fresher. Okay, so and we'll go to the next slide, which is called business. So I'll tell you again. For example, let's say MCA, you know it, right? Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Okay, so you can find all the companies who is listed in this website. Okay, for example, let's say on an average we have 1 crore registered companies on an average. So out of which we have 20 plus lakhs digital marketers. This is an assumption. You can see like 80 lakh plus digital marketers is required, because every company should perform digital activities to sustain in a longer run. Okay, so digital marketing is very very important. If you can take on an average one company, one digital marketer, we require 1 crore plus digital marketers in India. Okay, so on a job scale you can find like, see, at present in India, there are 2,500 agencies in digital marketing, including my website, including my company. Okay, so there are 2,500 agencies in India. So there is a huge scope. You can start your own digital marketing company, and you can earn money through it. Okay, so what is the last thing you can earn? This is called freelancing. I'll tell you what is freelancing. So there are two websites, which is called freelancer.in and as well as fiverr.com. So what is freelancing? See, some companies will outsource their work to freelancers. For example, let's say you're perfect in digital marketing and you can do any sort of project on digital marketing. So you can go to this freelancer and fiverr.com and register for free, and you can find jobs like this. See, for example, someone recently posted, I need to boost my website SEO. How much he pays? 1914 to 23,000. Okay, so this is very very important. You can type digital marketing here and you can search. So you will find all the things here. Okay, so you can see digital marketer, build me a website, make a WordPress website, marketing and social media consultant, 1,300 per hour he'll pay you. So you can earn money through freelancer by not going for any job. You can sit in home and you can take these projects and you can work. Okay, in a similar way, Fiverr also. So if I have typed, I search for the keyword called digital marketing services, where you can find many digital marketing freelancers are available on this site. Okay, so see the huge scale opportunity in digital marketing. How many freelancer digital marketers are there? And remember one thing, 99% of digital marketers will do offline job. Okay, which is very very important. Offline in the sense they'll do freelancing, they'll do affiliate marketing, or else they do any sort of work apart from the job. Okay, this is very very important. Please focus on this. Okay, and for example, let's say I posted this thing, I need digital marketer. So for example, you have approached me like, sir, I'll do the work whatever you need. I'll see your profile first, right? I cannot give my company project to you without having any sort of research. What I'll do, I'll look into your website, I'll look into your profile, and then I'll give my project to you. Here also website is very very important. Still, if you people are thinking why a website, then please you can quit here itself and you can walk away from digital marketing. This digital marketing is not for you. Okay. In a similar way, Fiverr. This is also very, very important. So they look into your profile and they'll give the project to you. Okay. So I hope you got the importance of website in digital marketing. And we'll go to the last slide, which is called requirements to earn money from digital marketing. Main important one, website need to take domain and hosting. Next thing, build your own blog. You need to have passion. Third thing, you need to work hard. Okay, and dedication is very, very important. And last, freelancing opportunities. You need to become a freelancer. And the last question, sir, in how many days can I earn money? It completely depends upon you. See, for example, if you work 4 hours a day, 5 hours of day, you can get money within next 60 days. If you're not performing well, it might take 90 days, 180 days as well. It completely depends upon you. I guess I have cleared all your doubts. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like it and subscribe to my channel. And have a good day. Thank you.